why doesn't this match? My reports say I had a solid season, but my bank account tells a completely different story.
Looking at your numbers and trying to figure out where the money actually went?
Yes, exactly that.
Let me guess. Clients paid your prep fee, but you also had to stick them with refund transfer fees, tech fees, a service bureau fee, but you didn't see any of that money.
Yeah, and the service costs keep going up every year. It's like a vicious cycle of having to charge more for the same thing that I don't get any benefit from.
That's exactly why I switched to Unity Tax Partners. They cut out every middleman. So instead of my clients paying $75 or more for their bank product returns in junk fees, I make more while saving them money. Clean and simple.
But you're paying $20 a return out of pocket. It's costing you money.
Actually, with Unity, I raised my prep fee by $60 per client, covering the $20 cost, and my clients still save money because their bank fees disappear. Plus, I earned tens of thousands of dollars more this year.
I want that. Not just the opportunity to earn more, but also to take control of my office and lower costs for my clients.
And the best part? Unity gives you everything for free. Software, bank products, and support, all for $20 per accepted return. No surprise add-ons.
That makes way more sense. I mean, it's not about paying $20. It's about keeping the $75 that I've just been giving away.
If your reports and bank account don't tell the same story, let Unity Tax Partners show you what your season should really look like. Book a demo with us today.